Hi, I'm Millie, and welcome to CupsToML. If you've ever wondered why one recipe turns out differently from another, even when both say 1 cup, this may be the reason. Not all cups are the same. A metric cup is 250 milliliters. A US cup is about 236.6 milliliters. That may sound like a small difference, and it is, but small measuring differences can grow as you add more ingredients. So the key is not just reading 1 cup. The key is knowing which cup standard the recipe is using. If the recipe is from the US, use US cups. If it comes from Canada, Australia, or another metric cup source, check whether it uses the 250 milliliter standard. One simple habit can save a lot of kitchen frustration. Match the cup standard to the recipe source. I'm Millie from CupsToML, and you can find the full comparison chart and converter on CupsToML.